Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We're going to do a tune-up report on the Galaxy 98 VHP. This is for Charlie in New York. Alright, we got an amp switch on the back. So, let's start real low and work our way up. So I got the switch off in the back. Got the watt meter set for 10 watts. Power all the way down on AM. You get about a half a watt there. Just under 4. Peak power. 50 watts lag. It puts mic gain into it. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. It's about 46 there. And on sideband. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Almost 40 there. Okay, now take that switch, kick it up. Change this out with a 500 slug. I could keep that on 10 for now. I'll have to bring this all the way down. On AM. All the way down to about 6. I've got 2 scales up to a 100 watt scale. And we turn the power all the way up. She's about 60. And peak power on this 500 is 200 and 300. Audio, check. Audio. And on sideband. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Alright. That's on AM. Power out. Here. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. See if there's anyone on here.